Hello guys, and in the last video we have seen literals part in Java. Now in the continuation of that literals, in this video we are going to see number systems in Java. Number systems in Java. Right sir, in any programming language, not only in the case of Java programming language, in any programming language, if you want to represent a number, if we want to represent numbers, we required a standardization. To represent numbers in all programming languages, we need some standardizations. That standardizations are called as which one? Their number systems. Point is very clear. To represent numbers in all the programming languages, we need some standards. We require some standardizations or some standards. That standards are provided by number systems. Good. How many types of number systems are available overall? In computer science, overall, how many number systems are available? There are 4 types of number systems are existed. What are the 4 types of number systems now? First one is binary number system. And second one is octal number system, and third one is decimal number system, and fourth one is hexadecimal number system. Right, sir. First one is binary number system, second one is octal number system, and third one is decimal number system, and fourth one is which one? Hexadecimal number system. Good. Binary number system is having which one? Base 2. Binary number system base 2. For octal number system base 8, and for decimal number system base 10, and for hexadecimal number system base 16. Sir, what is this base 2, base 8, base 10, base 16 now? What are these numbers actually? 2, 8, 10 and 16 actually? What is the meaning of it? So binary number system is having base 2 only, octal number system is having base 8 only, decimal number system is having base 10 only, hexadecimal number system is having base 16 only. So what is the meaning of it? Moreover, here that the names are also be like binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Like this, these names are available and immediately base numbers are available. What are these numbers and what are these actually? The base 2, that number 2, 8 to 10 and 16 are really which one? Number of input alphabets which are allowed by the respective number system. Number of input alphabets which are allowed by the respective number system. That is the meaning of which one? This base 2, base 8, base 10 or base 16. Understand it clearly now? So here 2, 8 to 10 and 16 are which one? Number of input alphabets. Okay, good. In Java, which number system is allowed actually? Out of these 4 types of number systems, which number systems are allowed in Java? If we come for this point here, Java allows all the number systems. Java allows all the number systems. Whatever the number systems here we listed, all the number systems are allowed. Okay, good. All the number systems are allowed. But which number system is the default number system in Java? Which number system is acting as the default number system in Java? If we come for this default number system in Java, so decimal number system is a default number system. Why decimal number system is a default number system in Java? In outside market, in outside environment, all calculations are going on as per the decimal only. All numbers are represented in any domain, in any field. All numbers and everything is represented in the form of decimal only in general. So Java is also following the same context, and Java is also be having decimal number system as the default number system. So Java allows all the number systems, but the default number system in Java is which one? You know, decimal number system. Decimal number system is the default number system in Java. Good. But how we are going to represent these numbers in our Java applications? How it is possible to represent these number systems in our Java applications? If you observe these points clearly, the very first one, binary number system. If you want to represent numbers in a binary representation, we have to provide input alphabet We need to provide that input alphabet is which one here? Zeros and ones only. We have to prepare the number with zeros and ones only. Any number of times if you want to prepare numbers or digits, no, zeros and ones only we have to use. By using zeros and ones only we have to prepare our numbers. Okay, good. But how we are going to represent this number as a binary number? So we can prepare that number by using zeros and ones, but we must provide prefix either 0 small b or 0 capital B. 0 capital B. Either 0 small b or 0 capital B we have to provide. Then only that number is recognized as which one? Binary number. So input alphabet must be which one there? Zeros and ones. And the prefix value for that number must be which one? Either 0 small b or 0 capital B. Let's say for example, now I am going to take a simple conversation case, simple example here. Understand this clearly. Now class test public static void main string array args. It's okay, fine. Int a is equal to 10, sir. What is this number actually? Int a is equal to 10. Now system.out.println of a. It's okay. Int a is equal to 10. System.out.println of a. Now here I want to use which version of Java C here I am using there. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Java C hyphen version. Which version here we are using? 1.7. That's fine. Now Java C space test.java. Compiled successfully Java space test. Now here 10 we are getting there. 10 in the sense normal decimal value only. It's okay, fine. Now I want to make this number as which one there? Binary number. If you want to make this number as a binary number, first of all make sure this number is prepared with zeros and ones or not. Okay, good. If this number is prepared with zeros and ones, after that this number must be prefixed with either 0 small b or 0 capital B. Now 0 small b this time I provided here. Okay, sir. Now tell me 0 small b is which one here? No, prefix well I provided. So this number is which one here? Binary number. Now tell me what is the decimal equivalent for this number? Decimal equivalent for this number is which one? 0 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1. 0 into 2 power 0, 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1. That value is which one? 2 only. So the decimal equivalent for this number is which one? 2. Let me compile this clearly. Now Java C space test.java. Right, compiled successfully Java space test. Now output we are getting in decimal format. Output we are getting in which format? There, not decimal format. Now 2 as an output here we are getting. The 2 is which one here? Not decimal number. So int a is equal to 0b10 sys.out.println of a. So here 0b is a small b. That means this is which one? Binary number representation. Okay, in place of small b I want to use capital B. Of course we can use that. Either 0 small b or 0 capital B here we can provide. We can utilize this like this. Now let me compile and execute this here. No compilation error. Output we are getting 2. 2 as an output here we are getting there. It's okay, sir. Now, so input alphabet for this binary number system is zeros and ones, and prefix value for this binary number is which one? Either 0 small b or 0 capital B. That we are able to provide as a binary number system. It's okay, fine. Next one is some examples here I want to provide. What are the various examples here? Int a is equal to 1 0. That's fine. And int b is equal to 0b 1010, that's fine. Int c is equal to 0 capital B 1100, that's fine. And int d is equal to 0 small b, so 1020 semicolon we provided. Good. Now what is the status of each and every example here? What is the status of this one? So it is not a binary number. Why is that? Why it is not binary number? Now its prefix value is not existed. No prefix is available. 0 small b, 0 capital B is not available. So it is not binary number. Okay, of course. If you have not provided any prefix value for this number, automatically this number will be treated as which one? No, it is a default number system. What is this number system for this number? Default number system. What is this default number system? It is a decimal number system. It is decimal number system. It is decimal number. Simply speaking, it is decimal number. It is not binary number. It's okay. Then what about the next one? Yes, it is valid. It is binary number only. Why? Because 0 small b is started here. Next one is int c is equal to 0 capital B 1100. Now this is also be valid. No problem here. Why? Because 0 capital B is also be valid. And the last one is which one? This is invalid. Why, sir? Why it is invalid here? What is the reason for it? Reason is input alphabet for binary numbers is which one? Zeros and ones only. but here we provided which one? No, 2. 2 as a value here we provided. So the 2 is not allowed. 2 is an outside range of the binary numbers here. We can observe this clearly. No? If I provide, for example, 1020, if I provide like this, definitely we are able to get some error here. We are able to check that error clearly. No? Java C space test.java. Error we are getting. Some semicolon is expected here in place of this one. So 0 small b 1020, here 2 error we are getting there directly. Why? Because binary number system is able to allow only zeros and ones only, not allowing which one can know other symbols. 2 is not allowed, only zeros and ones are allowed. This is one point. And one more thing, one more small point here I am telling there. Okay sir, good. Now in my program, I want to remove this 2, I want to provide 1010. It's okay, it's binary number. It's okay, it's binary number. Observe carefully. Java C space test.java, clear, compiled successfully. Java space test. Here we are getting output is 10. Output is 10. 1010. Output is 10. Why? Because it's binary. That means decimal equivalent is like 10 only. Why? Because 2 into 0 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 1, 2, 0 into 2 power 2, and 1 into 2 power 3. 1 into 2 power 3 is 8, and 1 into 2 power 1, 2. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is a value here we are getting directly. It's okay sir. Now here we are compiling this program and we are getting some output. 10 is an output here we are getting there. It's okay. Good. Here the twist is which one? Listen carefully. I am using which version of Java now at present here? If you observe this, which version of Java? I executed this Java 6 bat file. Which version of Java here I am using there now? Java 6 version. Java 6 version. I want to compile the same program in Java 6 version. Java C space test.java. Now here we are getting compilation error. Here we are getting compilation error. When we provide this 0b, here we are getting compilation error. So what is the conclusion here? Same program, if we use Java 7 version, here we are getting output Java C space Java C space test.java. Here we are getting no compilation error, and Java space test, here we are getting 10 is an output. But when we use Java 6 version, Java C space test.java, here we are getting compilation error. So what is the meaning of it? Meaning is very clear. The point is which one there? Binary number system is not allowed in Java 6 version. It is allowed right from Java 7 version only. Binary number system is not allowed in Java up to Java 6 version. It is allowed right from which one there? Java 7 version. Binary number system is not allowed up to Java 6 version. It is a new feature. It was defined, it was introduced as a new feature right from Java 7 version. That means in Java 7 version it was introduced as a new feature. It was introduced as a new feature in Java 7 version. That means that right from Java 7 version, all the upper versions is able to allow which one there? Binary number system. This is what exactly the meaning of which one there? No, binary number system clearly. We have started number systems and binary number system we have seen. In this video we are going to continue the remaining number systems clearly. After this, the next number system is octal number system. Octal number system. For this octal number system, what is that input alphabet here? Alphabet. That means which numbers we are going to allow inside this octal number system. Octal number system is able to allow the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's enough. 8 is not allowed. Even though it's a base 8 is available there, but 8 number is not allowed. 8 digit is not allowed. Why? Because it was started from 0 to up to 7 only. 8 input alphabet is available. Okay, good. We are able to prepare number by using this 0 to 7. That's fine. But any prefix value is available. Any prefix here we have to provide to represent this number as an octal number. Yes, exactly. Here we have to provide the prefixes which one? 0. This is exactly 0. Don't think it is not O. Not O. This is 0. It is not O. Please remember it. So of course people may like miscalculated this. Octal number system, the word octal number, octal started with O, that's why the prefix value with O. People are thinking like that. Or maybe some people are thinking 0 O like this. Of course, if you go for Python and 0 small o, 0 capital O, we are able to provide. That's up to Python. But in the case of Java here, what I am telling there, so that number must be prefixed with 0. If any number is prefixed with 0, then that number is nothing but which one? Octal number. Understand it clearly now? So we can prepare that number by using 0 to 7 alphabets, and that number must be prefixed with which one? 0. Then only this number is which one? Octal number system. We are going to see one example here. Try to recognize this. For example, I want to take int a is equal to 10. That means which one? 10. Next one is which one there? Sys.out.println of a. What is this number actually? I did not provide any prefix value. Java C space test.java. I did not provide any prefix value. Okay, not providing any prefix value in the sense, what is the meaning of it? No, default number system. What is the default number system for this number? Decimal number system. So 10 is which one? Not decimal number. No. But I want to make this number as a octal number. If you want to make this number as an octal number, we have to provide which one? 0 prefix value. We have to provide which one? 0 prefix. If you provide 0, now automatically this number is treated as which one? Octal number. Right, sir? If it is octal, what is the decimal equivalent for this number? 0 into 8 power 0 plus 1 into 8 power 1. 0 into 8 power 0 plus 1 into 8 power 1. So what is the value here? 0 into 8 power 0, 0 plus 1 into 8 power 1. That means 1 into 8. 8 is the decimal equivalent here we are able to get. Now here, what I am telling here, Java C space test.java compiled successfully. Java space test, here we are getting 8 is a number. 8 is a number. That means 8 is a digit here we are getting there. So this is a way to represent this number as which one? Like octal number system. Okay, I will go for few examples here. Now, right sir, int a is equal to 10. Next one is int a is equal to 10. Then after that, int b is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, semicolon. Int c is equal to like O 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, semicolon. Int d is equal to 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, semicolon. And int e is equal to and 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, semicolon. That's it. Right, sir. Now tell me what is the status of this first one here? First one is which one there? It is not octal number. Yes, why sir? Why it is not octal number? Why it is not octal number? Why? Because 0 is not prefix value. If 0 is prefix value, then it is octal number. But 0 is not available as a prefix. No, 10 is just simple number is available. Okay, it is not octal number. But what is this number here? Which number system it is? No. So it is decimal number system. No prefix is available means that what is the meaning of it? No prefix is available in the sense default number system is allowed. Default number system in Java is which one there? Decimal number system. It's okay. Next one is now int b is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. It is valid. No issues. Next one is which one? Int c is equal to O 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O we provided. It is not 0. Here we provided might be and upper O, that means or lower O, whatever it may be. But O is not allowed here. So this is which one here? Invalid. Next one is which one? Int d is equal to 0, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, exactly. It is valid. This is octal number only. It is valid. No problem. Now next one is which one they know? And int e is equal to 0, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the meaning of it? No. 8 is available here. Now here. So it is invalid. Why sir? Why it is invalid? Here 8 is not available in the input alphabet of which one? Like octal number system. In octal number system, the numbers are available right from 0 to 7. But in octal number system, we are not going to provide which one? 8 is a value. So this is invalid. This is invalid representation of which one? Octal number system. This is the point here we have to understand.